Yes, dear children, a very good morning to all of you. Today, I am going to teach you the poem entitled Risk by Janet Rand. It is a very simple poem of 10th class, and we have to learn a lesson after reading this poem. The central idea of the poem is that this world, this physical world is full of risks. But we have to take risks. The poet says that everything is risky in this world, but it is necessary to take risk. First of all, we shall study stanza wise. I shall tell you the meaning of some difficult words and stanza wise study. To laugh is to risk appearing the fool. To weep is to risk appearing sentimental. And to reach out for another is to risk involvement. And to expose feelings is to risk exposing your true self. Means everything is risky, every activity is risky in our life. If we laugh, people will say that we are fool. यदि कोई आदमी हंसता है तो लोग उसको मूर्ख समझते हैं. तो this laughing is risky, but we must laugh, we have to laugh. To weep is to risk appearing sentimental. If anybody weeps, the people says that he is sentimental. So both laughing and weeping are risky. To reach out for another is to risk involvement. Reach out for another. If we want to help, if we are ready to help another, is to risk involvement. People think that we are involved in something, or people will see us with suspicious glances that why are we interested, why are we so interested in that. It means if we want to help others, then there is risk that people may think that we are involved in that particular thing. So the risk of involvement है इसमें, help में. And to expose feelings is to risk exposing your true self. If we want to expose our feelings, if we want to express our feelings, it means we are exposing our true self, we are exposing our inner feelings, and people will laugh after hearing our inner feelings. nobody will be ready to help us. So in this first stanza, the poet says that every activity of human being is risky in this world. To place ideas and dreams before a crowd is to risk being called knave. If we want to place some new ideas or some new dream before a crowd, people will call us knave. Knave means navsikwa. A person who has lack of experience, अनुभवहीन आदमी उसको नेव कहते हैं. कि if we want to place, express some new idea before a crowd, people will call us knave. That you are knave, you don't know anything. To love is to risk not being loved in return. Dear children, this is a very risky matter nowadays. To love is to risk not to being loved in return. If a person loves to others, loves anybody, so he is in danger of not getting love in return. हो सकता है बदले में उसको प्रेम नहीं मिले. To live is to risk dying, and our life is full of risk, and death is universal. We know that day will come. Which day? Doomsday. That will be the last day of our life. That is universal thing, and all of us know this very well. But although we know that doomsday is necessary, that day will come, but we have to live our life. So it is a very simple poem, and up to this line we have read that everything, every activity of our life is full of risk. हंसना, रोना, हेल्प करना, जीना, प्रेम करना, everything is risky. But in spite of that, we have to do that. We have to do these activities to live our life, although everything is risky. And in this third stanza, the poet says that to hope is to risk despair. जैसे विद्वानों ने कहा है, आशा ही जीवन है, एंड ए पर्सन मस्ट बी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक. आशावादी होना चाहिए, बिकॉज होप इज लाइफ. बट वी ऑलवेज होप, बट वी मे गेट डिस्पेयर. आशा रखते हैं, निराशा हाथ लग सकती है. टू ट्राई इज टू रिस्क फेलियर. It is very simple thing that we must try, and we always try to gain something, to fulfill any work, any activity, but we may fail. in spite of hard work. So, tries to risk failure, maybe. But risk must be taken. But in the further lines, the poet says that although our life is full of risk, every activity, everything is risky, but risk must be taken, because the greatest hazard in life is to risk nothing. Hazard means danger. But we must take risk, because a person who does not take risk, what happens with him, we shall learn in following stanza. And in these lines the poet says that it is necessary for us to take risk, because the greatest danger in life is to risk nothing. Because a person whose life is not risky, who does not take any kind of risk, what happens with him? The poet says that the person who risks nothing, जो कोई रिस्क नहीं लेता है, is nothing and becomes nothing. He is nothing, कुछ होता ही नहीं है. क्योंकि हम आए हैं, we have taken birth as human beings, then in this world we must do something incredible, we must do something new, we must invent something, any machinery or any medicine. The person who risks nothing is nothing and becomes nothing. A person who does not take any risk is nothing and he becomes nothing. He cannot achieve anything. They means the persons who don't take risk, जो risk नहीं लेते, what happens with them? They may avoid suffering and sorrows. Naturally, if we don't take any risk, we may avoid suffering and sorrow. भाई दुख और यातना तो कुछ होगी नहीं, because the person who go out, he may suffer from heavy rains, from chill blustering winds, from hot sunshine, but a person who always remains inside his room, surrounding by ACs and other kinds of luxuries, so he may avoid suffering and sorrows. दुख यातना से बच सकता है, but the persons, the people who don't take risk, who don't take any kind of risk, they may avoid suffering and sorrows, but they cannot learn, feel, change, grow, love or live. Such kinds of people, they cannot learn anything new, they can't feel anything fresh, they always remain in the same situation. If they are poor, they always remain poor because they don't take any risk. Grow means they cannot achieve anything, their life always remains undeveloped. Such kinds of people cannot love anybody. Their life is always full of, they always lead a hopeless life, full of despair, निराशाओं से भरा रहता है उनका जीवन. And they cannot live means They are just like dead persons, you may say, because they are not able to take any kind of risk, and as a result of that, such kinds of person lead a miserable life. And in the further lines, the poet says that what happens with such kinds of persons, what is the end of such kinds of life of their such kind of people? Chained by certitude. Certitude means certainty. ये काम किया हो जाएगा, भगवान करेगा ये काम, इस तरीके से. Chained by certitude, they are slaves. Their life, they are always chained by certitude, certainty. They always remains डिपेंड ऑन लक, भाग्य के भरोसे रहते हैं. चेंड बाय, चेंड माने बंधे हुए, चेंड बाय सर्टिट्यूड मन सर्टेनिटी, निश्चितता. दे आर स्लेव्स, दे लीड द लाइफ जस्ट लाइक स्लेव्स, नॉट लाइक मास्टर्स. Such kinds of people never become masters. They always lead lives of slaves. They have fortified their freedom. Fortified means jakadna. They always remain like slaves. Such kinds of people can never get freedom. उनकी स्वतंत्रता है वो बेड़ियों में जकड़ी जाती है. And such kinds of people can never get a free life, marvelous life, wonderful life, happy life. It means we must always be ready to take risk if we want to lead a happy and wonderful life. But dear children, I have taught you this poem. This is very simple poem. And the central idea of the poem, the theme of the poem is that to live a marvelous life, to live a wonderful life, our life must be full of risk. Our life must be full of risk. The question is, first question is, what is success? Success क्या है? To take risk in life is a true success. If a person who does not take any kind of risk cannot be a successful person. Very simple question. Next है, who is truly free? A person who always take risk or who is ready to take risk is truly free. Next है, what is greatest hazard in life? Hazard means danger. Not to take any risk is greatest hazard in life. कोई किसी प्रकार की रिस्क नहीं लेना सबसे बड़ा जिंदगी में खतरा है. प्रिय बच्चों, सपोज ए सोल्जर is ready always remains ready to sacrifice his motherland, and he is ready to take any risk. His life is always full of risk. And if he is not ready to take any risk, what can happen with your country? Similarly, a scientist, a doctor, a teacher, a student, a farmer, every worker has an important function for the development of the country, and we must always be ready to take risk in life. If a businessman want to start a new business and he is afraid of losing his money in business, can he start his business? No, never. He will have to take risk. So, the theme of the poem is that everyone must be ready to take any risk to get success in life. Next है, when is a man filled with despair? निराशा से कब भर जाता है? When he hopes. In this poem we have read that if anybody hopes, he is in danger of getting despair. How can freedom be enjoyed? Next, very simple and almost the questions are depend on the same thing. Just as in answer of this question we can say that how can freedom be enjoyed, then we can answer this question like this, that freedom can be enjoyed by taking risk. That's all. Next, why should we take risk? We should take risk to get success in life. And next, what are immediate advantages of avoiding risk? रिस्क के क्या क्या इमीडिएट एडवांटेजेस हो सकते हैं? तो एज वी हैव रीड इन 4th स्टेंजा दैट द पर्सन्स हु डोंट टेक रिस्क, such kinds of people may avoid sorrows and sufferings. They can lead a happy life for a short span of time, but their happiness never lasts long. लंबे समय तक चलने वाली नहीं होती. तो such kinds of people may avoid sufferings and sorrows, but in the end they have to repent for that. अंत में पछताना पड़ता है. और नेक्स्ट है, राइट द मेन थीम ऑफ द पोएम. तो एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू अगेन एंड अगेन about the main theme of the poem, that in this poem the poet has expressed a very good idea before the readers, that we have to, one's life must be risky, human being's life must be risky, and we have to take risk if we want to get success in life, and our life is depend on risk. We must be ready to take any risk. प्रिय बच्चों, I have taught you the poem and I hope you will read this poem from your textbook and you will learn these questions yourself, and I hope and I expect from the good students like you, that you are using your valuable time and you are not wasting a single moment of a valuable time. Thank you very much.